Weekend is here. Another ride. Today we are visiting DD Hills, Devarayanadurga Hills. Somewhere close to Tumkur, I guess. It's approximately 75 kilometers from Bangalore. With so much of confusion and a dilemma to go or not to go, considering the rain, he somehow made it up and formed a quick team. So the pattern is every day evening it starts raining, and you never know if it's going to continue overnight or it just only rains in the morning. I mean in the evening. So that's also one of the reasons I don't see a lot of people don't want to take risk riding on the rain. Okay, some stretching on the go. A very small hill actually. We are trying to compensate Ooty trip. We're supposed to go to Ooty this weekend. All thanks to the rain, which made us cancel. Wow, what a smell. I can smell a lot of eucalyptus. An organic smell. Okay, here is the preview of the road on my mobile. Almost a U-turn. Okay, the entire road is going to be like this, full of U-turn. I think this one stretch is worth it, coming all the way from Bangalore because it was just a 1.5 hour ride. Purpose of ride is only to have fun on the road riding. So this stretch should fill the need of the ride. There is a temple uphill, looks like that's Yoga Narasimha Swami temple. So it's kind of a pilgrimage center. Maybe family weekends. This could be a ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರವೇಶವಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? This is a good place for sunrise. If you want to watch other than Nandi Hills, this can be a good place actually. Okay, this is the dead end.